about an hour till the sun sets. Another half hour and I might cook dinner. This fire's going to burn nicely. Oh, it's getting cold quick. The wind keeps moving around, so just got to deal with the wind and the smoke. But how good is this? This is living. Time to get dinner ready, and like, I stole something from the wife at home. Don't tell her, she'll shoot me for bringing it out camping. I'll show you what it is. Her favourite little bevel sandwich press. So I'm deciding whether to have that, some bread and that, or I bought some crumbs schnitzel to put on the fire. The fry pan. I haven't done that in ages, so I don't know what to do. I'll have to put some coals down and move some coals over if I'm going to cook on the... Why not? Let's cook on the fire. Haven't used this in a while. Oh. Smells alright. There we go. Cooking. Let's go and make a little spot down the fire. Perfect. Beef snitchy. Doesn't get much better. Couple of little snitchy burgers. Pretty basic. I'll just have these two. A bit of bread, some cheese, and sauce. See how that goes. Definitely no fire to fork cook. Pretty basic with me. Well, I reckon they've got to be ready. Where's my spatula? Got to be damn close, don't they? Oh yeah. Perfectly cooked. I think I'm going to struggle on two, but we'll see how I go. I'm just going to go down there, sit and eat dinner. That sun's setting. You can see it over in the distance there. It's going to be a beautiful night, clear skies. It's going to be cold, but it's going to be beautiful. Just loaded the fire up, hopefully get roaring. Oh, smoke in the eyes again. Ow. Legs are starting to get cold, so I think it's tracky time. Then sit down and enjoy the bush TV. As you can see, it's getting darker. The sun's nearly gone. The fire's roaring. Got a little light set up for later. Beautiful night, absolutely beautiful. The wind's dying off. The birds are just starting to tweet. There hasn't been that many. It's been pretty quiet, but it's going to be a beautiful night. It's going to be cold, but it's going to be good. My toes are getting burnt. I'm like a fair way away from the fire. My toes are getting hot. This is living. Don't care what anyone says. This is living. Might get the billy ready. Put some water in it. Might have a hot drink. I did say last time I was going to have a hot chocolate, but I never did. I've still got it in the car. Maybe I should. Let's do it. Alright. Let's go put this somewhere on the fire so it gets hot. Thinking right there. Now, while that's going, I'm going to get that in a cup. Now, normally you do it with milk. You serve, milk. But I'm not heating milk up. I'm just going to heat water and give it a go. Should do the same thing, I think. Let's try. Let's put you here. There we go. Gonna need a spoon. Oh, it's getting cold. Can feel it. up. Now, I don't know if this will work. I'm going to find out. But you never know if you don't give it a go. Tape it good. It's in a little bag. Smells good. Look at this. Real chocolate in the cup. Ooh. Let's throw a few of them in, eh? You reckon 3 would be... Nearly. Whoops. There. 4 should do it, I think. Put that there. Now we just got to wait for the water to boil, which I don't think will take too long. Might take longer to boil than I thought. Alright. Hot chocolate, let's see how this works. Oh yeah. I'll do that much water. Stir it. Oh, it smells good. Oh, you got to be jealous, right? Lindt hot chocolate out in the bush. Just add a bit of milk to make it a bit creamy. There we go. It's a bit wet. Stir that up. Oh. This is going to be good. Oh, wish I had marshmallows. I forgot marshmallows. Fire, everything, hot chocolate, forgot marshmallows. Oh, I'm going to go sit down there and watch the bush telly. Well, doesn't get much better when you're out camping. Hot chocolate, nice fire, clear skies. Should get a good star trail tonight. Where else would you want to be? Well, I'm going to sit here. Oh, excuse me. Sit here and enjoy the bush telly with me hot chocolate.